In this video, I'll walk you through Instagram Edits, the new video editing app launched by Instagram. You just need to search for Instagram Edits in your Play Store or App Store, depending upon the device you use. So here, you just need to click on this second option, Install, and you can see it is created by Instagram. Once it is installed, just click on Open. Let's click on Open. This is what it looks like when it is opened for the very first time. It will automatically fetch the Instagram you are using on this device. So this is the one I have, so it has automatically selected it. And click on Join Edits. Give it the permission. To create your first project, just click on this plus button and it will ask you to fetch the video you want to edit. So this is the video. Once you have your video on the timeline, just select it and you will be able to see these options. You can split a video, use volume, speed it up or slow it down as you want, but let me keep it at the original, which is 1.0, and then you can adjust it. You can increase the brightness, contrast, saturation, temperature, fade as you want. Let's click here, and then you can also delete the parts you don't want to use. You can filter the video. I can make this video black and white. These are the filters. So if I have to make it black and white, I can either click graphite, gritty or Tokyo. For example, let's pick gritty and click this button, and you can see this is automatically black and white. If you need to undo it, just click here and it will be done. You can undo it. Okay, now the next thing is effects. You can add effects to it. White frame, rainbow, drift up, blur frame. These are the things that you can do. Next up is voice effects. You can change the voice effects from here. You can make your voice dreamy, intercom, or whatever you want. Let's get back and let me change the filters here because it is already, we don't want it. So let's click on none and click here. Okay, now you can also extract the video audio from the video if you want to work on audio exclusively and you don't want to touch the video. Now here you can see when I clicked on extract video, a new timeline item is added here. So it has extracted the video from the audio from the video. Let's undo it and scroll further and you can see extract audio and mirror. You can mirror this video, like here you can see the text reading as Mawsynram village. If I mirror it, you can see the text mirrored. Here you can see the text is mirrored now. So you can mirror things if you want using the same when you select the video and click on mirror. And when any effect is applied, then you will see this dot under that effect. So let's undo it. It is now in its original state. Next is replace. If you want to replace the clip, you can replace it from here and use the clip you want to replace it with. After that, you can slip. If you split this video, and then you can use the slip thing. Here you can see how to slip. Okay, here you can see. So let's cross it out. I don't want to slip the video. And once again, after that, you can duplicate the video as well. Here you can see the total length of the video is 20 seconds. If I want to make it longer or add duplicate the video, then I can simply select the video and go to duplicate, and if I duplicate, you will see now the video length has become 40 seconds. I have basically duplicated this clip and now it is 40 seconds of clip. Let me undo it, and now you can see it is back to 21 or 20. So all of these features can only be enabled once you select your line. So once you have selected the item on the timeline, only then you will see these features. So I have covered all these features when you have selected the item on the timeline, but when you don't have anything selected on the timeline, then you can see these are the features. You can add an audio to it. Here you can see these are the audios that are free if you use Instagram edits. Let's break this. So here you can see the audio is enabled, audio is added actually, and you can only add up to 15 seconds or maybe longer. That is for you to check. Now you can also add it and add text to it. Example text. Okay, and here you can see I have added text. You can change the color of it, you can change its style, zoom in, pop, or as you want. These are the things you can do with the text. So many options here. You can also use this feature or play around with other stuff that is there. So for the now, I'm not going to add any text layer. You can see it has its own layer on the timeline. You can increase or decrease the length of it as you want using these two handles, but let's delete it. I don't need it, so I've just deleted it. And next is you can generate captions for the video by clicking here. Since my video is in Hindi, it will create the captions for me. Now you can also overlay whatever you want. I think I have already discussed this, so let's try it and show you how it works. If I use this video on top of this video, you will see it will overlay this video. Now I can increase or decrease the size of this video. Here you can see, just use your thumb and index finger to drag and increase or decrease the size. Let's get rid of it. And then you have sound effects. You can use these. Let's hear it. Let's delete this as well. And now there is cutout. If you want to use the cutout, use this option. And then we have stickers. You can add stickers from here. Use any of these and add in the video. So this is how you can use Instagram edits. It's a good app for editing if you are going to edit videos. Now this was 20 seconds of video for me. I'm going to export it. Let's see by clicking on export. So it doesn't take much time to edit the video, unlike the VN player that is there that you use for free. But Instagram edits is fast to edit the videos. So this is a completely free app. You can use it through Google Play Store or App Store if you're using iPhone. Let me know if you have any questions or you want more videos regarding Instagram edits. I'll do my best to add them. Now here you can see you have added this video, and you can simply click on share to Instagram or share to Facebook, and it will be shared automatically on your account which you have used. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.